so funny. You are so funny. You are so funny. Okay, remember last week I told you about you're born with 1 pint of blood? Well, what happens if you're 9 feet tall? How much do you have? Well, this guy was 8 foot 10 inches tall in England. I don't know how old he was when he died. I guess people that tall don't live long. Anyhow, I got some news for you today. Stupid state laws. And since I have some friends in New Jersey and New York and Massachusetts, I'm just going to say, in New Jersey, it's illegal to wear a bulletproof vest while committing a murder. That's on the books. It's true. It's on the books in New Jersey. In Arizona, I don't know what's up with these people in Arizona. They're weird out there. They said you can't make fake drugs. There's a law saying you can't make fake drugs. What about real drugs? Can you make real drugs? I guess if you're making cocaine, it's not fake, it's natural. It's okay, just as long as it's not fake cocaine, okay? In Oklahoma, you can be arrested for making ugly faces at a dog.
At a dog?
At a dog, you can get arrested for making ugly faces at a dog.
Okay.
And in Nebraska, if a child burps in church, the parents can be arrested. You wonder what's up with these stupid-ass politicians. They are dumb. The only good politician is probably 1 year old and doesn't know any better, because they're probably all 2 years old and they know a lot. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. These laws are real laws. They are real laws.
Still on the book.
Yeah. In San Francisco, they have a law in San Francisco that you can't pile a horse manure taller than 6 feet. 6 feet of shit. Can you imagine that? Okay, it's 5 feet, 5 inches of shit. Don't let it get to 6. What is wrong with these people? I don't know. Karen thought that was funny. Ian Good. Shout out to Ian. Get those veggies. It's almost time to pick up those veggies, Ian. Savage Kitchen with Jessica Savage. How you doing, Jess? Cocktails with Lele. Hey, Lele, make those cocktails. And Cocktail Friday. Or Cocktail Fridays. Fridays, not fried eggs. Fridays. That's all I got for the shout-outs. I gave you my news here, and I guess it's time to make a cocktail.
Woohoo!
Woo! Cocktails, cocktails. We're going to make a Pina Colada Martini. We're going to use an ounce and a half of vanilla vodka. 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. Or we could go a little, maybe we can go 1 3/4. I always pour a little more because I don't want to short pour anybody, especially myself. Never want to short pour myself. 1 ounce of coconut vodka. Thank you. 1 ounce of coconut vodka.
Coconut vodka.
Coconut rum. I've been drinking already. This drink's for you. And 1 ounce of rum. Yeah, there's no such thing as coconut vodka, is there?
I bet there is.
And I'm also going to put in some pineapple juice. Let's see how much I got. 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And what do you think of those state laws? In Massachusetts, you had a blue law, you couldn't drink on Sundays. And also in Massachusetts, you have to take a bath every night before going to bed. That's a law, except on Sundays. Well, I don't know why Sundays would be any different to you. And Pina Colada Martini. And here you go, Pina Colada Martini. Yep.
You don't have any cream or milk in it, huh?
Nope.
Coconut cream?
Nope. But you know what I got?
Coconut rum.
I got a garnish with a strawberry garnish. There you have it. It's, will you just look at it? Will you just look at it? That is pretty. Look at the foam on the top and everything. It's like I knew what I was doing.
Ooh, spilling.
No, I must be full.
Oh.
That's a pretty good drink. Well, anyhow, this is Cocktail Tony. And I want you to just look at it. Will you just please look at it? Don't forget, get a vaccine. I had a friend, we played pickleball, and we have a friend at the gym. And I walked over to her today and I said, I'm going to get my booster shot next week. And she said, I'm an anti-vaxxer. And she says, people like you are why people like us get sick. Bite me! Bite me! Oh, some people, she should be writing these laws. Anyhow.
Maybe she did write it.
Maybe she did. Get a vaccine, say hello to your mama, don't fly Delta, Cocktail Tony, over and out.